What's up guys, I'm Simon from Z1 Off-Road, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about our Z1 Off-Road Eccentric Lockout Kit. If you've got an adjustable upper control arm, you won't be doing your alignment on your lower control arm anymore. You're going to want to do that on your upper control arm. When you're doing that adjustment through your upper control arm for your alignment, you want to take out the variable of your eccentrics on the lower control arm. So what this kit does is it locks your lower control arm in one of three positions. It's got an inboard setting, an outboard setting, and a center setting. And you would use this kit if you've got an adjustable upper control arm like our Z1 upper control arms, or there's plenty of other options out there as well. And the advantage to this kit is because your lower control arm is locked in whatever position you set it in, you're not going to have to worry about it as much on the trail, losing your alignment if you're banging it or bouncing your truck off of rocks and things like that. So this kit is going to hold your lower control arm right where you set it, and you won't have to worry about it when you're on the trail. You don't want to lose your alignment on the trail, and this helps get you a little bit closer to that peace of mind. So these are really nice kits. They're made from grade 10.9 bolts with stainless steel lockout plates, and they've got a laser engraved arrow on them that helps you keep track of the position when you're setting alignment and whatnot. But really, it's a super simple install. These plates just go into the grooves on your lower pickup points and they lock right in place. They come with a nylock nut, so you don't have to worry about your nuts backing off the bolts or anything like that. You just torque them to spec and they should hold your lower control arm as long as you need it. These are also yellow zinc coated, so they'll be super corrosion resistant. We do salt spray testing on all these, so if you live up north and have salty roads, anything like that, this will help give you some peace of mind on that. So if you've got an adjustable upper control arm and you want to lock your lower control arm in place, this is the kit for you. And if you'd like to pick up this kit, check it out at z1offroad.com.